would always tell him na no, okay, we're okay. Like, mahirap talaga pasukin yung mundong yan. Kasi showbiz naman, alam natin na medyo mahirap na nga eh. Kumbaga, maraming nangyayari. And mas lalo na yung politics. But you know, si Luis kasi, he has this generosity. You know him, di ba? His heart is really big, and for me, who am I to stop him from doing what he wants to do, especially when it comes to others, like helping people and actually, you know, helping others through a different platform. So I always tell him, sige, I will let you run, but sana, di ba, yung you stay true to yourself. Di ba, yung why are you running? Why do you want to pursue this? So, yun yung nangyari, kaya natuloy-tuloy. But you know, para sa amin, hindi lang talaga kami pinalad, hindi binigay sa kanya, but he's still there. He's actually in Lipa today with his mom. And alam ko he will do his best to actually be able to do kung ano yung mga nasabi niya sa mga tao. That's him. He's a man of his word. And I'm really proud of him dun pa. So kahit hindi binigay sa amin, okay lang. Kasi it's like a door open for him. And I guess, kung magtuloy-tuloy man siya doon, kahit mang maupo, hindi, he's still doing his part. Diba? As a Filipino citizen, as himself, actually.